inland waters light chop.
Why, TBW, why?
Isolated showers in the morning, then numerous showers in the afternoon. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG59 listening area for the following marine location: coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This afternoon, south winds around 5 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail: southeast 1 foot at 3 seconds and north 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Why, TBW, why?
Isolated thunderstorms. Isolated showers early, then scattered showers late. Tonight,
why isn't it going over?
10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail: east 1 foot at 3 seconds. Bay and inland waters.
It's on channel 1.
Isolated.
It's Englewood to Tarpon, you know.
Numerous showers, mainly in the evening. Tuesday, east winds 5 to 10 knots.
Come on.
Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail: east 1 foot.
Why are you not relaying it?
Bay and inland waters light chop. Isolated thunderstorms. Isolated.
Are you gonna go?
Then scattered showers in the afternoon. Tuesday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east.
There we freaking go. It took you that long to relay that. Wow.
To Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Johns Pass, moving.
And that's the reason why it was so delayed.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Treasure Island Reef, Paso Grill Channel, Madeira Beach Reef, Paso Grill Reef.
And they just issued a flood advisory for Hillsborough.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Took you that long to relay that. Wow.